See here in 12th question it is given maximize. Z is given 5x plus 3y and 3 given subject to the constant. This is 3x plus 5y less than equal to 15, 5x plus 2y less than equal to 10, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. We denote this as equation 4. So first of all we will draw the graph for the line 3x plus 5y equal to 15. So this inequality we convert into equality, then putting the value when x equal to 0 we will get y as 3. For x equal to 5 we will get y as 0. Now put 0 0 in this equation number 2 and you will get that 0 is less than equal to 15, which is a true, and therefore half the plane is towards the origin for these values of x and y greater than equal to 0, and feasible region it will lie in the first quadrant. Then for second constraint 5x plus 2y equal to 10, again putting the value of x as 0 and solving here further we get the value as a y as 5, and for x equal to 2 here we will get y as 0. So again putting here the x and y, here in equation 3 we got 0 is less than 10, so this is again true. So half of the plane is towards the origin. Now we will solve these two equations simultaneously, and so that we will get the value of x and y. Why we require this value? Because after drawing the graph of these two lines there is a line of intersection, and for that we have to find the point of intersection. So here two equations are given, 3x plus 5y equal to 15, 5x plus y equal to 10. So I will make this 5 variable with the same coefficient. Here is 5, here is 2. So here I multiplied by 2, here by 5. So now after multiply this complete equation by 2, it is 6s 10y equal to 30. And here when it is 5, it is 5 5 are 25x 10y equal to 50. After doing subtraction, this like terms get cancelled, minus 29x equal to minus 20. So x is equal to value we got it as 20 by 19. Now putting this x by 20 in the equation 2 and putting the value of x as 60 by here 90, because 3x plus 5 equal to 15. So 3 into 20 by 19 plus 5 by equal to 15. So 3 2s are 3 into 20, that is 60 by 19 plus 5y equal to 15. So 5y equal to 15 minus 60 by 19. Solve here further. Taking 19 as LCM, 15 into 19 minus 60. If you solve further, so here it is 15 into 19, 1960 upon 19. Do the subtraction here. You will get the value of y as 45 by 19. So this is how we got the value. Now we will draw the graph, and after drawing the graph we will make the conclusion. The point of intersection come like this. All are very clever, I know. So now here, after getting the values of x and y, so I ask you to convert this x in a point so that in a graph we can plot it in a proper way. So after getting values of xy and plotting here in the graph, we got the two lines like this, and here E is a point of intersection. Now this point of intersection, if you draw the perpendicular, if it is on a graph paper, you will come to know that it is 1.05. So it is just after 1. So our value is 2019 is very correct. And for y it is 2.3. If it is there in graph paper, you will come to know that it is 2.3 only. So the value for y is again correct. After getting this corner points, I have shaded this region which is called as feasible region. So A, O, D, E, A. It is a feasible region which is a shaded portion. And the corner point for this shaded portion are A, O, D and E. So all the points I have put here, and the value for every point, every corner point, we have to find the value of Z maximize. So here it is 0. For a center it is 0, 0. Then for D it is 2.
चलो
Hello ma'am, period is going on.
पीरियड इज गोइंग ऑन
Yes ma'am, 12 standard.
ओके ओके
I
ठीक है
will call just after this. Now E is a point where 20 upon 19, 45 upon 19 and A having the value 0, 3. Now putting all these values of X and Y in Z. So corresponding Z values we have find out. So this is 0, then this is 10 after putting this value. Now you can put E and this X and Y and get the value of Z. This is a value for A. So likewise all these four values we got, and the maximum value is this 235 upon 19. Therefore we can write the maximum value for this Z is this, at which point 20 by 19, 45 upon 19. See now here, after getting all the tables value, we will plot the graph here. This is x-axis, y-axis. Then first line I will plot the graph for this first table 0, 60 and 120, 0. So we have drawn the line, and for which line it is there, so I have mentioned the line. So mentioning the line and all the values, it is very important. Then for second line again the values are 0, 60 and 60, 0. So I have drawn here second line and mentioned the line x plus y 60. And for third line the points are 0, 0 and 10, 5. So this line is passing through the origin. And one more thing we come to know that for the first line the given value was comes to be true, and there we have put half the point, half the plane is towards origin. So I have put here the lines like this, which is coming towards origin. For second line, it was answer was false. That is second answer what you have got. It is false greater than 0. So it is going away from the origin. So the portion, it is not coming the origin. It is going away from origin. And for third line, the portion will coming towards the, this is x-axis, so we will mark the portion coming the x-axis. So in short we come to know that this shaded portion is a feasible region. Now for this feasible region we can find the corner point. This is E and I put here F. From the graph I got, if I draw the perpendicular, it is 60 and 30. For F it is got 40 and 20. Now I'm solving, because this point is the interaction of this and this line. So I solve x minus 2y equal to 0, x plus 2y equal to 0. On solving simultaneously, again I got the value of x as 60, y as 30. Then this point F, it is the interaction of x plus y 60 and this. So again on solving, I have done the subtraction, I have cancelled out this x. And I got the value of x as 40 and y as 20. So the answer we got after interaction here is the same. Now these are four corner points. So all four corner points I have put here for feasible region. And now here the value of z minimum maximum we have to find out. Putting all these values of xy, corresponding z value we find out. So we come to know that this is a minimum value and these two are maximum. So here we have mentioned the minimum value of z is 300 at this point and maximum value is 600, and this 600 value is maximum for this 2 point. So I have put these 2 points.